All right, we're on. We're ready to rock and roll. Okay. Now, take this off. I always forget. I always keep that on sometimes, but I don't know why. All right. It's comfortable, actually. All right, here we go. You ready? Right. We're going to do some practice on solving equations with radical expressions in them, okay? Let's do 6 of them. All right, 3x squared equals 27. 3x squared equals 27. What do we do? Anybody? Yes? Divide both sides by 3, and you get x squared equals 9. What's the answer? Yes?
3.
No. X equals plus minus 3. Right? Remember? Yes? Won't plus and minus 3 both work? Right? So if I put in the original expression, minus 3, what's minus 3 squared? 9, right? The whole thing, minus 3. The minus and the 3. You square it, you get positive 9, right? So both positive and negative 3 will work. Do not answer too quickly on the quiz or the test or the unit test. Clear? Be careful. Clear? Enough said? All right, what's the next one? The next one says 2x squared equals 32. What are the answers? What's the answer? Can you do it in your head? 2x squared equals 32. What's the answer? X equals what?
4. Plus minus 4.
Plus or minus 4. Very good. You should be able to see that's going to be divided by 2. That's 16. Square root of both sides, plus or minus 2. Excellent. Is there anyone who finds that a little overwhelming? No? You okay? Wuchan, you okay with that? You don't like that? Should I go over it again? I should. Okay, that's not a problem. Okay. Do you see that I divide both sides by 2? Yes or no?
Yes.
You sure? Okay. So isn't that going to be x squared equals 16? Yes or no? Yes, right? Okay. Excellent. Square root of both sides, plus or minus. Square root of x squared is x. Square root of 16 is? Square root of 16.
4.
Which one? What's the square root of 16? What number, 4, multiplied by itself is 16? That's going to be plus or minus 4. Yes? A little better? Am I being clear? Okay, good. Excellent. All right, what do we got? 4 left? You know what? Let's, all right, we'll do them all. 4 squared equals 100. What's the answer? Quickly. 4 squared equals 100. Quickly. Plus or minus what? Plus or minus?
Plus minus 5.
Plus or minus? 5. Very good. So it's going to be 4x squared equals 100. X squared equals 25. X equals plus or minus 5. But John, you all right with that? You okay with that? You sure? I'm going to divide both sides by 4. That means x squared equals 25, right? Square root of x squared is x. Square root of 25 is 5. When you take the square root, you got to make sure that it's plus or minus, correct? 2 answers, correct? Okay, good. Well done. Well done. Let's see. It's kind of interesting. X squared plus x squared equals 48. So what's the left side? What do we put for the left side?
X.
No.
2x.
2x? 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 No. 2x. The man said 2x. Is that correct? He may not have actually finished his sentence. Did you mean to finish the sentence by saying 2x squared? What's x squared and x squared equal? How many x squareds are there? This doesn't help me. Blah, blah. How many x squareds are there? Two of them. So what wouldn't you say? 2x squared? Right? What's x squared plus x squared? Hold up your right hand. Hold up your right hand. Hold up your right hand. Hold it up like this. All right, hold up your left hand. How many hands you got? Two what? Two what? Two hands. Right? I have an x squared here and x squared there. How many x squareds you got? Two what? Two what? Yeah. Makes sense? Right? You have a pen? Hold it up in the air. Now take hers. How many do you have? We'll say they're both pens. Writing implements. How many writing implements do you have? How many writing implements do you have? Two what? Two writing implements. You get it now? You sure? Okay. Pretty good, huh? Everybody get it? Yeah. You have to say what it is, right? That's all you're doing. You're just adding them together, right? If I have two hands, hand plus hand is two hands. So you say 2x squared. Are they x's? No, they're x squareds, right? Aren't they? Yes or no? Okay. So that's going to equal 48. Now what? Now what? Divide by 2. Excellent. All right, so that's excellent. So what's that going to? What's x squared going to equal? Let's play fast math. What's it going to equal? 24, right? 24. All right, now what? Let's do it. Shall we do it my way? Okay. Let's not take shortcuts yet. Okay. Let's do it my way. All right. Break that down into primes. What is it? Right? Right?
Yes.
Okay. Break this into primes. That's 4. That's 8. I mean, we're taking some shortcuts here, guys. Come on. What do I need here? What's the other prime?
4. 3.
3. 2 times 2 is?
4.
Times 2 is?
8.
And how many 8s do you need for 24?
3.
Right? Any squares here? Are there any pairs of the same prime?
Yes.
How many? One pair, right? One pair. Isn't that a pair? A pair? Isn't it a pair? Okay, so, right? Take a pair out. Can you take a pair out?
Yes.
Right? Now what? Now what? Now what? X. That's the X. That's Gonzo, right? That's Gonzo. There's my 2. What's left inside?
2 times 3.
What's 2 times 3? 6. 2 root 6. Is that okay? Not particularly pretty looking, right? Not pretty. But okay, right? Did I break any rules? You think it's kind of ugly? Well, I'm kind of ugly. All right, so I don't care. Do I care? Does this think it's ugly? No. But it's ugly. All right, fine. And I am too. So I don't care. Get over it. Okay? Vincent? Addie? Can I call you Vincent Addie? As opposed to Cincinnati? Okay, I won't. Okay. What are you laughing at? Stop laughing. No, can't do it. You can't do it. Ah, yeah, sorry, couldn't do it. Okay, now, so shall we do another one? Yes, did I do that wrong or did I do it right? Am I okay?
Yes.
Am I okay? I'm good. All right, shall we do another one? Okay, quickly. All right. X squared plus 2x squared equals 150. All right? How many x squareds are there, Professor? No, not you. I know, when two people are wearing glasses, it's hard to see who are they looking at. Yes? Yeah? How many x squareds are there?
There's 3x squared.
3x squared. You weren't sure what to say, were you? 3x squared equals 150, right? So x squared is going to equal what? Let's go. Erica. Oh my God, he's calling on me. No, not me. What do we got? X squared equals what? Vincent. Mr. Cincinnati. What do we got? 50. Excellent. Shall we speed up a little bit? Can we play a little bit faster math? Right? What can you break 50 into? Can you break it into a square times a non-square? 50, let's see. 50, how do I do that? Can I break 50 into a square times a non-square? How do I get 50? 10 times 5? Is 10 a square? Is 10 a square?
No.
It is?
No.
Is 5 a square?
No.
No. Yes. Times what? 2. 25 times 2. Can I? So can I say that this is going to be x squared equals 25 times 2? We'll make a dot there. Can I say that? Right? Yeah? Right?
Yes.
Yep. So x equals what? Cincinnati.
5 square root of 2.
Excellent. Absolutely superior. 5 root, the way you would say it, if you really want to sound really cool, you know, you're walking down the street, you say 5 root 2. Just root something, it just means square root. That's like slang for square root. 5 root 2. Okay, so say 5 root 2. Go ahead, say that, Vincent.
5 root 2.
You sound like you are like a math genius. You do. Are you a math genius? But you sound like one. That's always the beginning. You got to think you are. If you think you are, you eventually will be. So, Fuchan, how you doing with this? Are you okay? Yeah? You all right? Yeah? Excellent. 5 root 2. Yes? All right. Let's do, I think we got one more. Is that correct? Yes? And then we can go on to something bigger and better. Okay. Right. We got, okay? Yo, we got x squared plus 2x squared equals 160. What do we got? What's the next line? X squared plus, what's this going to be? No.
4x.
Yeah. 4x squared. You square both of them. Square that and square that. Right? Right? Make it rhyme. Yes? So that's going to be 4x squared. All right, how many x squared you got there, Professor?
5x
He's having a hard time with that. I know. That's okay. We're working on it. All right. You raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay. Raise your guy next to you. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay. How many hands are there? Okay. Buchan, raise your hand. Okay. What's 4 hands plus 1 hand?
5.
5 hands. Yeah. I like it. Put your hands down. So if I have 4x squared and 1x squared, how many x squareds do we got?
5x.
5 what? Say it.
5x.
I hope you're not laughing at him.
You forget the square, man.
You're really having a mental block with this square thing. 5x squared, right? Right? No? Yes? No? Yes? Yes? No? Yes? No? What do I got? X squared equals what? 32? 32? Is that right? 32? Is that right? Is that right?
Yes.
Is that right? 160 divided by 5 is 32?
Yes.
Is that correct? Now, can you write 32 as a square times a non-square? Let me think. Let me think. Let me think. Anybody? All right, you got your hand up. All right, put your hand down. All right, you're the first one, so let's see if we can get the second one. Guys, I know. It's Friday. It's like 10 of 1 in the afternoon. You just ate lunch. I can hear the digestion going on in your gut. You're sleepy, right? A little sleepy. You look like you're ready to fall off your chair and go to sleep. I got the more hands up. I got 3 hands up. Can you express 32 as a square number times a non-square number? Mr. Cincinnati.
Can I just say the answer?
Well, as opposed to what? Oh, no, I want to know what 32 as a square and a non-square. Johnny?
4 times 8.
No.
What?
4 times 8. Yeah, but 8 has a square in it. Doesn't 8 have a square in it? Right? Doesn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. It can't have a square in it. Should I rephrase that by saying a prime times a square? Is that better? Yeah, I suppose, right? No, that's not true. Is that true? No, it's not true. A square and a number without a square in it. Yes? 4 times 2 is 32?
No, 4 times 4 times 2.
Yeah, but he said 4 times 2.
I said 4 times 4 times 2.
Yeah, but that's, I want 2 numbers, not 3 numbers. I'm trying to get you to see this. Can I write 32 as 2 factors? Yes. 16. Didn't I say 2 numbers? A square and a non-square? 16 and what? 2. There you go, girl. 16 times 2. Can I express it? Isn't 16 a square? Isn't it? Isn't 2 a non-square? And it doesn't even have a square in it anywhere? Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay? Right? You sure? Okay? Right? Okay? Got it? All right, so this is going to be x squared, square root both sides. Do your thing. Fast math. Yes?
4 root 2.
What is it?
4 root 2.
4 root 2. That's right. Cool? Are we all right with that? Yeah? Isn't fast math is really good, isn't it? Are we done? We're off. What are we doing?